Hello. Welcome to another video here. We're still on March 17th, 2023, and we have just passed the second phase of my forex funds. Um, we were not going to be trading today, but there was an opportunity that I did not want to miss, and we took the trade and was able to close. We were at 51,800 when we did our last video. Today is a Friday. We were not going to trade anymore, but an opportunity presented itself, and I just wanted to go over that really quickly and talk about that. So in the morning, we took this trade for about 200 pips from $1,400 to 1,800, where we closed out and took another $30 trade right here as well. But then we were going to be done for the day, and then hopefully trade next week. But was looking and watching the market here on this chart right here, and as it kind of retraced, we were looking for a break on this VWAP. I was not going to trade if this was broken, and it kind of took off. Was not going to go into any trades. Was going to leave it as it is. But I saw that this was a big reject on this candle right here. This was one of the things that gave me a signal of right, this is gonna be a sell, right? Hopefully, but we wanted to wait and see how the market reacted. um, did this little drop, didn't want to get in with this first, wanted to see if it'll come back and retest this VWAP, right? And I'll go over the invest chart in a minute, but and then it kind of went down and then came back to retest, and I was watching this retest right here, and this is where we entered our trade on this candle when it could not move past it, right? It tried a couple more times, right, to break the VWAP, and I had a very tight stop loss around this 390 mark right there, right above the first high, above this VWAP, right? So if it had convincingly broken above this VWAP with a good volume, I would have kind of taken my losses out and be done for the day. But our theory worked, and it kind of went straight down, and we were able to close with about $800, $700 worth of profit on this trade right here. So we entered right here and then closed at about 318. I'm going to show you that in my account history right here really quickly right there. So 500 plus I had another $228 trade as well. So we have done it, guys. We've started about a month about a month and a half ago with about a month ago, in fact, with my forex funds on a challenge to see if we can get through this challenge on a $50,000 account. We passed the phase one on last Tuesday, and within 2 days, 3 days, we were able to pass the second phase and get $2,500. So I just wanted to show you that right here. This is our account right there, right? The profit target is 2,500. We've already achieved that within 3 days. The only thing is we had to wait for 2 more days because the trading history, so looking at the trading history, you need to have at least 5 trading days in order to pass the second phase. So what we're going to do is maybe on Monday and Tuesday, place like 0.01 lots, just 1 or 2 trades on Monday and then Tuesday to what do you call trade 2 more days, so we can get our live account and trade live. So really good news here. We've been able to do that, and I wanted to go and show you guys what I'm talking about. This was the first candle, right above that VWAP. This was the first candle that we were talking about. This big retracement, waited, right, kind of bounce off this 21, then the 21 EMA, and then went to that 100 EMA, right? And then when it kind of rejected below that 100 EMA, right, and also going by our VWAP right there, we placed the trade, and then bam, right, the rest is history. So this was an awesome trade. Could not miss this opportunity for any reason. This is Friday, and we very rarely trade this more than one or two trades on Friday, but because of this, really nice opportunity that we were looking at on the charts, on the US30 SPY right here, got in the trade, and we were able to close it, and then close it well, and be done with our second phase. So good news for all of us, right? We wanted to try out one of these challenges that's going around, and it looks like we've been able to. When I get my live account, possibly on Wednesday next week, I'm thinking, maybe we can start trading and then kind of show you how, and how we trade on our live trade. Um, my next goal is to trade a FTMO account, because the what they're looking for is 10% rather than the 8% on my forex funds for the first part of the challenge, and then 5% for the second part. So hoping to get see if I can get a $50,000 or $100,000 FTMO account, to see if we can pass that challenge within that number of days as well. um, Excuse me. So that's why we've have come on, just wanted to come on and do this quick video and show you why we took this trade, especially on a Friday, right? Again, these are the patterns that we look for on a daily basis. Just want to let everyone know that we don't only trade, you know, the forex trading accounts. We do trade Nadix with binary options, and then options, regular options also with E-Trade. And this is the same way look at options as well, right? If you see an option contract that's kind of out of the money a little bit, and we see this kind of pattern, we go ahead and get into those options. Same thing with Nadex. When we trade binary options, look for something that's out of the money, and then um, if you see some patterns like that, and then get into that trade. So this is a good journey, guys. Again, and if you see, even right now, even as we speak, right, if you guys see that, right, kind of tested this VWAP one more time, and look at that drop again, right? So this VWAP is really, really, really strong. And if you go into our regular, the 100 EMA EMA, right? It's testing that 100 EMA, and then trying to, and cannot break it above it, and that's why it's kind of going down. So it's very important to look at how the market opens in the morning, right? Look at that market opens, right? Say at about 9:30, right? And then wait for the big players to show us the direction for the day. That's how, that's just how easy it is to trade in the forex market, in the stock market, especially with US30 SPY, right? I don't trade stocks, but I trade the SPY, and I do options and Nadex, and I go with the Wall Street 30, and trade those on a regular basis. So yeah, so this is it for the funded part of it. I'm gonna see, I'll be looking forward to seeing how the real, or the live account works with my forex funds, and would love to see, I'd love to trade that for about a month or so to see how much profits we can get off these my forex fund guys, and see if we can show you guys live how we would take money out and things like that. So that's a long ways away, but for the time being, right, it's all about having a system. I'm not saying that this system is the only system that works, right? You probably have a trading system that works for you. Stick to it. The main idea is, whatever the trading system or trading strategy you have, right? There's no strategy that's 100% proven every single time, right? The basic idea is, with my, trying to show you how I trade, is to show you guys that if you have a good strategy, and if you follow it with tight stop losses, right? Remember what we talked about, right? Reason as to why you're getting into a trade, when you're going to get out of the trade, and when the profit levels. All right. So if you have a good strategy with, with that in your mind, there's no way you're going to go wrong, and have the good disciplines on, hey, when am I trading? When am I getting into a trade? And when am I getting out of the trade? So, um, I hope you guys enjoyed this, month and a half of, right, trading this, trading, what do you call, one of these funded challenges, right? And we would like to do more of those in the future also. So if you guys liked it, do hang around. We are going to be trading live on our live account very soon. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk to you on another video.